Hello. My name is Esther and I'm going to make a sneezing video of me sneezing. Oh, okay. Anyways, I'm making a sneezing video of me sneezing, so enjoy.
So, Esther, what's up? I'm her friend, Claudia. Try sneezing, not into it. Just sneeze and, put it to the side.
You're being annoying.
Thank you. That's what I do to you. Hurry up. Back like a chicken. Try putting it away,
Don't do that while I'm sneezing.
Okay, just try, not, try sneezing, when you can't see that. Don't sneeze into that next time.
Why?
Because I know you sneeze, hey! Sorry.
That's annoying, yeah.
Oh, sure, we gotta sneeze. Excuse me.
We have now background sneezing. Crap, I dropped the other one.
Excuse me, sorry.
Okay, maybe we should stop.
No, I'm supposed to myself.
Okay. Here.
Try sneezing out again.
No, that will be too hard.
Just don't sneeze into that, okay? Just sneeze down. Onto your shirt. Be like a normal sneezer.
Don't move my hand.
Sorry. Don't just try sneezing onto your shirt. Just watch me. I have a sneeze too. Sorry.
That was annoying. Yeah. Okay, that one didn't work.
How about just 5 more?
Okay.
Blow your nose. Here.
Thanks. Stop. Stop.
Sorry.
You give me 3 too many.
My allergies are attacking me today. Remember again.
I know, but I have too many tissues on my lap.
I'll take one. I'm sneezing. I'm sneezing. How about that's it? That's the last one.
Yeah.
I'll make another one.
Okay, I think that's all we're gonna do for now.
Thank you for listening.
No, I don't.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all we're gonna do today.
Bye. This is my
Bye.
hand.